Hi, and welcome to this Track Wrestling help video. Our customer support staff at Track Wrestling is committed to helping you run a great tournament. In this video, we'll go over how to enter bout results from bout sheets. You'll notice that we're starting out on the bout schedule page. This is a great tool to help you run your event. Here you can track what has been entered, what is ready to be printed, as well as how many bouts have completed and how many are left. So you'll notice on this page that we do have some of these rounds listed in white, some are listed in green, and some are listed in yellow. The bouts in white are ready to be wrestled or have results entered. You'll notice here that there's a time on this one, and that just means that there's already been a bout entered on this bracket, but not all of the bouts for that round. The green ones that are crossed out mean that all of the bouts for this round have been entered. And the yellow means that the system is waiting for results from the above matches to create the matches. If you needed to print, you would only want to print the white ones that say not printed. As soon as you did print, the system would go ahead and update that, and those would all show as printed. Another cool thing about the bout schedule page is you can filter this information. So if we wanted to see what was left in the 4U group, we could come over to the schedule filter and click on U4 and then hit go. And the system pulls up everything that's listed for the 4U division. So we see here that we have 57 bouts totaled. 15 have been completed and 42 left. You can search by round, mat, and any combination of those filters. So your tournament has started and you're starting to get bout sheets turned in. You're ready to start entering bout results. To do that, you're going to either click on bout entry from the bout schedule page or click on operating, bout entry. The page that opens is the bout entry wizard. Here is where you're going to enter your bout results. There's a couple ways to search for your information. You can either use the drop down and select the weight class that you would like and then enter the match ID, or you can use the bout number. Using the bout number allows you to pull the match that you want without selecting the weight class or entering a match ID. This is one of the reasons that we suggest using a number scheme to number your matches. All of the information you would need to enter here would be found on the bout sheet. You would have a weight class, match ID, and the bout number. For this example, we're going to use the bout number. So here we're going to just enter 101 and hit go or enter, and that's going to pull up our match. So on this bout sheet, I see that Braden Smith won by decision 3-2. So you can click somewhere in this area to select the winner, or you can select the winner using the drop-down menu. I'm just going to go ahead and click in there, and then we'll select the win type, and then we'll enter the points, 3-2. Here we see the match end time. This is the time that the system uses to figure wait times. This will be marked on the bout schedule, and you can also access this from bout detail. Once you have the information in, you just hit save. And we get a message letting us know that all of the bouts for round 1 have been completed. You can just click OK, and the system will open up the next bout sheet. If this was not the bout sheet that we had in our hand, we could just enter the bout number and continue on. We do know that sometimes you don't get the bout sheets back in order, so just either search by the weight class and the match ID or the bout number to find what you want. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and say that Corbin won by a major decision, and the points were 9-2. So we'll enter 2 and 9, and we'll hit save. So the system gives us a message letting us know that in order to be a major decision, there has to be an 8-point difference. Just go ahead and click OK. We'll verify the points, and if the points were wrong, you could change them. Or if the points were correct, you would just change the win type. You would go ahead and hit save. And now you're ready to continue entering the rest of your bouts. You would just continue entering bouts this way until you've completed all of the matches for your tournament. Thank you for watching this track wrestling help video. If there's anything else that we can help with, use the support tab located in the top right corner of the page to contact our support team. Thanks and have a great tournament.